Show me your dance. How do you dance? Show me dance.
Freddy. Beep, beep. Beep, beep.
Horn?
Beep, beep.
Horn?
Yes.
The other. What is that? Put helmet?
Yes.
Where are you going?
Up.
Where? There.
Up.
Be careful.
Careful.
Careful, be careful.
Dump.
Don't jump. Don't jump. It's dangerous.
Dump.
Dance. Dance.
Careful.
Careful.
Dance.
Careful, you're on the edge.
Mommy.
Be careful. Come down. Can you come down? By yourself? Very nice. Oh, dance na. Be careful.
Up. Up. Up.
Be careful. It's dangerous. Oh, enough na, enough na. Turn off the motorcycle.
No. Mommy.
Ay, naku, be careful.
Up. Up.
Be careful, it's slippery. You have socks. Fix your helmet. You did not lock your helmet.
Dump.
Don't jump. Calm down. Ikaw talaga. Ikaw talaga. Ikaw talaga. Kukurot ko yung singit. Kurot, singit. Kurot, kurot, kurot. Put your crayons back. I will throw it to the garbage. All.
No.
What is no?
No.
No throw.
No.
Don't throw.
No.
Put it on the box. singit. Kakagat ko ang nose na yan. Tingnan mo yung kalat mo. Put all your crayons back or I will throw it to the garbage.
No.
What is no?
Not so that right.
I need to throw it to the garbage because you are making a mess. Put it back all.
Ready.
I don't know.
Tight.
It's not kite. It's very heavy for a kite. See, it did not fly.
Fly.
It did not fly.
Fly.
How can you make it fly? Don't put the finger on the mouth. It's dirty. Don't put the finger on the mouth. I will put it this all to the garbage.
No.
Throw it to the garbage.
No.
Yes, I will throw all the things
No.
down there. You see?
Not so that right.
Why?
Look.
Huh?
Oh.
Only what? Only?
Only what?
I will throw this all to the garbage.
No.
Put it back first. So I will not throw it. Put it all back.
Up.
Don't go up there. Sige na. Mommy will throw it to the garbage. Mommy will get very big plastic bag. Put all the crayons in the plastic bag and I will throw it to the garbage. Okay?
No. No. No.
Uy, you are not helping Mommy to clean. Help Mommy to clean. Put it all back on the table. Crayons on the floor. Look at the floor. Put it on the table.
No.
I will throw it all.
No.
Oh. Take it all. Pick it up.
There.
Put it there back. All. All the crayons. Put it all here. Use your 2 hands, not only one. 2 hands. How many hands do you have? How many hands do you have?
2.
Oh, use it all. Good job. Are you good boy?
Yes.
Look at me. Show me the face of the good boy. Where's the face? Good boy?
Yeah.
Smile nga. Smile ba yan?
Mine.
Smile? Get the other crayons also. Oh? Galit ka ba? Hindi.
There.
Hindi. Ano lang? Masaya. Masaya ka. Dalawang kamay. Ano ba yan nagdadabog? Ayaw mo ba nang inuutos ko sa'yo? Put it all back properly, not like that. You are throwing it. 2 hands, love. Very good, 2 hands nga. Put it there.
Tulaya.
Colorakia. It's food. It's not. This is crayon, not colorakia. Put it down. Take all the other crayons also. Bilis. Bilis. What is that? What is that? What are you making? Why did you kick? Mommy will throw it.
No.
All crayons. Throw Mommy.
No.
Put Mommy in the garbage.
No.
Okay, Mommy will take all the crayons here, huh?
No.
Mommy will put it in the garbage. All of the crayons here down. Huh?
No, the bags.
I need to put it in the garbage because you are not helping Mommy clean.
Helping.
You're making Mommy very tired.
No, my turn.
Yes. You see, you are coloring the table. Naku po, papagalitan ka ng lola mo. Mamaya, galit lola. Yaya will cry.
Donut. Yeah.
Yaya will cry.
Yeah.
This, look at this. All of this, I will throw to the garbage.
No.
What will I do with this? Where will I put this?
There.
Where?
And Draco.
Where is Draco?
What Draco?
Humarap ka sa akin. Look at me. Where is Draco? Can you find Draco?
What is
Lumapit ka dito. Where is Draco? Take Draco.
What is Draco? Mommy,
Kaya mo yan. Makakadaan ka dyan.
what is Draco?
Where is Draco?
What is Draco?
Ay, naku, you are not looking. Not there. Here. Look there. Here.
What is Draco?
Faster. Go over here. Over here.
What is Draco?
Here's Draco.